Good evening, all of you. Very good evening. Dr. Avanish Maurya, good evening. Badirul Islam, very good evening. Krishna Yadav, good evening. Sonu Pal, good evening. Good evening, all of you. So, today we are going to discuss our 11th foundation test. This series is for 2023. Farid Sheikh, very good evening. Surbi Bagal, Baghel, very good evening. So, question number 91st. Which of the following statement is not correct? Incorrect statement पूछा गया है. Lysosomes are formed by the processes of packaging in the endoplasmic reticulum. Lysosomes have numerous hydrolytic enzymes. The hydrolytic enzymes of lysosomes are active under acidic pH. Lysosomes are membrane bound structure. Yes, Alia, very good evening. So what is the correct answer of this question? Question number 91st. Yes, correct answer is correct answer will be first. अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन नॉट करेक्ट पूछा गया है तो इसमें आंसर होगा फर्स्ट, क्योंकि लाइसोसोम्स आर फाउंड बाय द प्रोसेसेस ऑफ पैकेजिंग इन द नॉट इन द एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम बट गोल्गी बॉडी और गोल्गी apparatus. Yes, Malhotra ji, very good evening. Future Dr. Singh, yes, correct. Your answer is absolutely correct. It's A. There are how many membranes present around lysosomes? Number of membranes. डबल मेम्ब्रेन है, सिंगल मेम्ब्रेन है, किस तरह का स्ट्रक्चर है ये? नंबर ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन्स. Yes, Dr. Singh, correct. Yes, good evening, Sonu. Yes, Alia, correct. Faid, correct. Yes, single membrane, correct. So this is single membrane. हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम्स प्रेजेंट होंगे. हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम सारे क्लासेस के होंगे, मतलब इसमें न्यूक्लियस, प्रोटीएज, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, लाइपेज, हर तरह का हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम प्रेजेंट होगा. लाइसोसोम्स हैव न्यूमरस हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम्स और ये एक्टिव होंगे अंडर एसिडिक पीएच. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज फर्स्ट. और ये पहला क्वेश्चन था, पेज नंबर था इसका एनसीईआरटी 134. नाउ वी मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 92. मैच द कॉलम 1 विद कॉलम 2. कॉलम 1 विद कॉलम 2. मल्होत्रा जी, हिंदी में भी क्लास चलती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 92. गोल्गी apparatus, lysosomes, vacuoles, ribosomes. Question number 92. So Golgi apparatus, this is formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. Lysosomes. Lysosomes digesting biomolecules. हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम्स प्रेजेंट हैं, तो ये बायोमोलिक्यूल्स कौन से? कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन्स, फैट्स, वैक्यूल्स वैक्यूल्स ट्रैप वेस्ट एंड एक्सक्रीटरी प्रोडक्ट्स, वाटर, सैप एंड एक्सक्रीटरी प्रोडक्ट्स, wasteful products. Ribosomes synthesis of protein. So correct answer is A is third, B is fourth, C is second, and D is first. Yes, Malhotra ji correct. Alia correct. Future Doctor Singh correct. Fiery correct. Sheikh ji. Question number 93rd. Which of the following events does not occur in rough endoplasmic reticulum? Which of the following events does not occur in rough endoplasmic reticulum? Yes, Sapna, correct. Correct. Major site for synthesis of lipid. लिपिड की सिंथेसिस कहां पर होगी? ये दोनों हैं एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व इन प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस एंड सिक्रीशन. ये रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. यस, आंसर सही है आप सभी का. सपना, फ्यूचर डॉक्टर सिंह, आलिया, रिजू, प्रिंस. यस प्रिंस, करेक्ट. स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. This will take place in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Question, this was from NCERT 1, page number 133. Question number 94. Select the mismatch. Gas vacuoles, green bacteria, large central vacuoles, animal cells, protists, eukaryotes, methanogens, prokaryotes. Mismatch. Question number 94. Yes, correct. Correct, Prince. Raju, correct. Manoj Rana, correct. Alia, correct. Fareed, correct. Sonu Verma, correct. The large central vacuole, this is not present in animal cells. This is present in plant cells. And vacuoles are surrounded by which membrane? Vacuoles are surrounded by which membrane? Yes, Anshuman. Good evening. Yes, tonoplast. Correct. Tonoplast will actively or passively pump the ions in sap of vacuole. एक्टिवली पंप करेगा या पैसिवली पंप करेगा? Tonoplast will pump the ions in the sap of vacuole actively or passively. Yes, correct, Farid. Alia, correct. So यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर हुआ हमारा सेकंड. 94 क्वेश्चन नंबर वाज फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 134. NCERT 1, पेज नंबर 134. Question number 95. A cell organelle containing hydrolytic enzymes is hydrolytic enzymes: lysosome, microsome, ribosome, mesosome. Yes, correct, Prince. Anshuman, Raju, correct. This is lysosome. Lysosome will contain hydrolytic enzymes of all the classes. And mesosome. Mesosome is equivalent to which eukaryotic structure? Mesosome is equivalent to which eukaryotic structure? Yes, correct. Anshuman, Prince, future doctor saying, yes, this is mitochondria. Mitochondria. Type of ribosome present in prokaryotic cell. Type of ribosome present in prokaryotic cell is type of ribosome present in prokaryotic cell. Yes, 70S. Correct. 70S. And 70S is made up of two subunits. वो दो सबयूनिट कौन सी हैं? 70S is made up of two subunits. वो दो subunits कौन सी हैं? Yes, future doctor saying correct. Correct. Yes, Manoj Rana, Alia, Anshuman. Yes, 50S plus 30S. 50 and 30. Correct. Question number 96. Which of the following structure is not found in a prokaryotic cell? The structure which is not found in a prokaryotic cell: mesosome, plasma membrane, nuclear envelope, ribosome. A structure not found in prokaryotic cell. Yes, correct. Future doctor saying correct. केवी फोर्थ नहीं, राइबोसोम तो प्रेजेंट होगा 70S. यस प्रिंस करेक्ट. मनोज राणा करेक्ट. बदरुल करेक्ट. केवी करेक्ट. आलिया करेक्ट. आलिया फोर्थ नहीं, it is nuclear envelope. All membrane bound structures are absent, so nuclear envelope. Question number 97. The chromosomes in which centromere is situated close to one end. Centromere that is located close to one end. Okay, KV. It's okay, Alia. Yes, correct. It is fourth. मेटासेंट्रिक नहीं, मेटासेंट्रिक में तो बीच में होगा. अगर ये बीचों बीच में है तो वी शेप होता है. मेटासेंट्रिक, मेटासेंट्रिक में क्या होगा? दोनों आर्म्स बराबर, इक्वल आर्म्स. मेटासेंट्रिक. सब मेटासेंट्रिक स्लाइटली अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर. स्लाइटली अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर. एक आर्म छोटी, एक आर्म बड़ी. और अगर ये ऑलमोस्ट टर्मिनल पोजीशन पर हो, एक बहुत छोटी आर्म और एक काफी बड़ी आर्म, एक्रोसेंट्रिक. टीलोसेंट्रिक में ये टर्मिनल पोजीशन पे होगा. तो यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर इज एक्रोसेंट्रिक. लिखा हुआ है सिचुएटेड क्लोज टू वन एंड, इसलिए एक्रोसेंट्रिक. और एक्रोसेंट्रिक का शेप कैसा आएगा? एनाफेज में एक्रोसेंट्रिक का शेप कैसा होगा? इन एनाफेज. यस अंशुमन करेक्ट. VLJI करेक्ट. J shape correct. Acrocentric is J shaped, metacentric V shape, submetacentric L shape, and telocentric is I shape. Question number 98. The osmotic expansion of a cell kept in water is chiefly regulated by. Osmotic expansion of a cell kept in water is chiefly regulated by mitochondria, vacuoles, plastids, ribosomes. Yes, correct. Raju correct. KV correct. Pranavi correct. Prince correct. Alia correct. Farid Sheikh correct. Yes, it is vacuoles. White color plastids are known as 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 yes, future doctor saying KV Anshuman, correct. Yes, Alia, Farid, Raju, Devadarshini, Surabhi. Yes, friends, it is leucoplast. And leucoplasts are of three types. Leucoplasts are of three types. Starch storing leucoplast is known as starch storing leucoplast is known as starch storing leucoplast is known as yes, correct, correct. Anshuman, KV, Prince, Manoj Rana, Pranavi, Nafia, Amilo, correct. Raju, correct, correct. This is amyloplast, correct. Question number 99. The Golgi complex plays a major role as energy transferring organelles in post-translational modification of proteins and glycosylation of lipids, in trapping the light and transforming it into chemical energy, in digesting proteins and carbohydrates. The Golgi complex plays a major role. Correct. Farid Sheikh, Anshuman, KV, Badrul, Pranavi. Yes, motivational quote, correct. Farid Sheikh, Nafia, AV. Yes. Good evening, Dr. Shivani. In post-translational modification. Correct. In post-translation modification of proteins. Glycosylation. Question number 100. A major site for synthesis of lipid is symplast, nucleoplasm, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Correct. Correct. Prince, Pranavi, KV. Yes. Correct. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 101. Cell is a unit of living organism. Fundamental, structural, functional, all of these. Cell is a, yes, Rutuja correct, Anshuman correct, Prince correct, Suman correct, KV correct, Farid correct, Cover correct, Dr. Shivani correct, Motivational correct, Pranavi, yes, all of you are correct. This is all of these. Is structural, functional, and fundamental. Question number 102. Which of the following scientists discovered nucleus? Antony von Leeuwenhoek, Robert Brown, William Harvey? None of these. Nucleus was discovered by. Yes, correct. Correct. Prince, Cover Studios, KV, Suman, Pranavi, Future Dr. Singh, Dr. Shivani. Yes, Motivational, Manoj Rana. Yes, Robert Brown. विलियम हार्वे इनका क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन था? इनका क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन था विलियम हार्वे का? कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ विलियम हार्वे. यस, एनसीईआरटी का जो भी डेटा है वो सब याद करना है। यस, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन, करेक्ट, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन, करेक्ट। एंटोनी वॉन ल्यूवेनहॉक, he first saw the dead cell or living cell? Dead cell or living cell? एंटोनी वॉन ल्यूवेनहॉक फर्स्ट सॉ द डेड सेल और लिविंग सेल, क्या देखा था इन्होंने? एंटोनी वॉन ल्यूवेनहॉक फर्स्ट सॉ द डेड सेल और लिविंग? yes, it is living, not dead. Dead cell was seen on, dead cell was seen by, डेड सेल किसने देखी थी? डेड सेल was seen by, yes, केवी, करेक्ट, करेक्ट, रॉबर्ट हुक, वेरी गुड, रॉबर्ट हुक। Question number 103. Matthias Schleiden examined large number of plants and revealed the presence of. Matthias Schleiden ने plants पे study की थी and revealed the presence of cells which form tissues, nucleus, centromere, none of these. Yes, correct. Cells which form tissues. And cell theory was given by, cell theory. Cell theory was proposed by, who proposed this cell theory? Cell theory was proposed by, cell theory. Yes, Schleiden and Schwann, correct. Schleiden and Schwann, correct. And cell lineage theory. Cell lineage theory was given by, cell lineage theory was given by, yes, Virchow, correct, Anshuman, correct. Rodolphe Virchow. He explained the origin of life, origin of cell. सेल की origin को explain किया था इन्होंने कि सेल जो है वो प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल से ही बनेगी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 104. प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय whom and in which year? Plasma membrane was discovered by whom and in which year? Matthias Schleiden 1839, Theodor Schwann 1839, Robert Hooke 1838. Yes, correct. Theodor Schwann, correct. जोलॉजिस्ट थे इन्होंने, एनिमल सेल्स को स्टडी किया था और बताया था आउटर मोस्ट लेयर जो होगी दैट इज प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 105. थियोडोर श्वान स्टडीड विच सेल्स? प्लांट सेल्स, एनिमल सेल्स, बैक्टीरिया, बोथ 1 and 2? तो थियोडोर श्वान ने जो सेल थ्योरी बेस की थी वो दैट वाज बेस्ड ऑन द स्टडी ऑफ प्लांट सेल्स, एनिमल सेल्स, बैक्टीरिया, बोथ 1 and 2. Yes, correct. Suman Bind, correct. AP Tennis, correct. Surabhi, correct. Raju, correct. Badirul, correct. Manoj Rana, yes, Badrul, correct. It is both 1 and 2. एनिमल सेल्स को भी स्टडी किया था और प्लांट सेल्स को स्टडी करके इन्होंने बताया था कि सेल वॉल प्रेजेंट है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 106. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग साइंटिस्ट मॉडिफाइड द सेल थ्योरी? Cell theory was modified by Adolf Virchow, Matthias Virchow. Who modified this cell theory? Manoj Rana is given in NCERT, both animal and plant cells. Correct. It is Adolf Virchow. Question number 107. Within the eukaryotic cells, ribosomes are present in. Within the eukaryotic cell, ribosomes are present in cytoplasm, chloroplast in plants, mitochondria, and rough endoplasmic reticulum, all of these. Yes, correct. Ribosomes are present in cytoplasm, chloroplast, mitochondria, and also on rough endoplasmic reticulum. So all of these, correct. क्लोरोप्लास्ट में किस तरह का होगा और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में किस टाइप का है? क्लोरोप्लास्ट और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में किस टाइप का राइबोसोम प्रेजेंट है? 70s और 80s? 80s नहीं फ्रेंड्स, इट इज 70s. यस करेक्ट. क्लोरोप्लास्ट और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के अंदर 70s, यूकैरियोटिक सेल में 80s और 70s दोनों. यूकैरियोटिक सेल में 80s और 70s दोनों. 70s कहाँ पे होगा? क्लोरोप्लास्ट और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में. बाकी जगह कौन सा है? 80s. करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 108. लेंथ ऑफ ए माइकोप्लाज्मा इज. Length of mycoplasma is question number 108. गलत. कवर, केवी, फ्यूचर डॉक्टर सिंह, राजू, प्रिया गोयल, शिवानी, सुमन. यस, यस केवी. It is 0.3 micrometers. 0.3 micrometers. माइक्रोमीटर कितना हुआ? 10 की पावर -6. 0.3 तो 3 इंटू 10 की पावर -7 मीटर. यहाँ पर कितना दिया हुआ है? 3 इंटू 10 की पावर -6 दिया है, 10 पावर -5 प्लस 5. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज नन ऑफ दीज. यस करेक्ट. करेक्ट. तो डेटा याद रखो और उसका यूनिट भी याद रखना है हम लोगों को. सिर्फ डेटा ही रटना नहीं है ऐसे, उसका यूनिट भी याद रखना. द लार्जेस्ट आइसोलेटेड सिंगल सेल इज. Largest isolated single cell is mycoplasma, bacteria, egg of ostrich, none of these. Yes, egg of ostrich. Correct. Correct. Naked eye से visible होगा. Correct. Question number 110. Which of the following is true regarding prokaryotes? True regarding prokaryotes. Cell wall surrounding the cell membrane is present. Genetic material not enveloped by nuclear membrane. A small circular DNA present outside genomic DNA that confers unique features to bacteria. All are true. Yes, Dr. Shivani correct, KV correct. Motivational third nahi. Yes, Anshuman correct. Priya Goyal correct. Suman Bind correct. Prince correct. Future Doctor Singh, Nidhi Kumari, Mukesh. Yes, Badirul. Yes, correct. Correct. All are true. These all are true. Cell wall surrounding the cell membrane is present. Cell wall आगे present होगी. Genetic material not enveloped by nuclear membrane, nucleoid or genophore. A small circular DNA present outside the genomic DNA. This is plasmid. Plasmid is autonomously replicating. Autonomously replicating. Circular double-stranded DNA. Extra chromosomal. Question number 118. Bacteria are divided into gram positive and negative on the basis of differences in cell envelopes, manner in which they respond to gram cysteine, creates disease in humans, both 1 and 2. Question number 111. Yes, correct. Fourth, correct. Both 1 and 2. Differences in cell envelopes and manner in which they respond to gram cysteine. So gram cystaining will depend upon the differences in cell envelopes. तो दोनों ही करेक्ट है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 112. In prokaryotes, plasma membrane is selectively permeable, interacts with outside world, is structurally similar to eukaryotes. In prokaryotes, plasma membrane is selectively permeable, interacts with outside world, is structurally similar to eukaryotes. Yes, Anwar Ali, very good evening. Correct. KV correct, Princess correct, Shivdeep correct, Future Doctor Singh, Anshuman, Priya Goyal, yes, Suman Bind, मयूर ए नहीं है, राजू करेक्ट, डॉक्टर शिवानी करेक्ट, कविता करेक्ट, यस, मोटिवेशनल करेक्ट, बदिरुल कैस, all of you are correct. AP10 is yes, it is fourth. Selectively permeable होगी, plasma membrane interacts with outside world and is structurally similar to eukaryotes. Question number 113. Function of mesosome in prokaryotes is function of mesosome, cell wall formation, respiration, DNA replication and distribution to daughter cells, secretion processes, increased surface area of enzymatic content and plasma membrane. Fourth, all of these. Correct. Correct. It is all of these. These are all functions of mesosomes. Mesosomes are invaginations of the plasma membrane. Question number 114. Detailed membrane structure was studied only after the advent of. मेम्ब्रेन स्ट्रक्चर की डिटेल स्टडी पॉसिबल हुई थी किसकी खोज के बाद और कब? यस, करेक्ट. एपिटेनिस, राजू करेक्ट. Electron microscope in 1950s. This was possible only with the discovery of electron microscope in 50s. Which of the following is not true? Depending on ease of extraction, peripheral and integral two types of proteins are present. Peripheral protein lie on surface, Integral proteins are partially or totally buried. Ratio of protein and lipids remains same in different type of cells. Yes, correct, correct, right. Ratio of protein and lipids remains same. It won't remain same. It will change according to the type of cells. So correct answer is second. बाकी सब सही है. इंटीग्रल प्रोटीन्स जो होंगे ये पार्शियली भी हो सकते हैं या फिर टोटली बरीड हो सकते हैं. और पेरिफेरल प्रोटीन्स ये जो सरफेस पे होंगे डिपेंडिंग ऑन ईज ऑफ एक्सट्रैक्शन, पेरिफेरल एंड इंटीग्रल. Question number 116. Common characteristic feature of plant sieve tube cells and most of mammalian erythrocytes is. प्लांट में जो sieve tube cells हैं और mammalian erythrocyte, absence of mitochondria, presence of cell wall, presence of hemoglobin, absence of nucleus. Common character. Yes, correct. Epitenus, correct. Prince, correct. Adya, correct. Yes, this is absence of nucleus. न्यूक्लियस एब्सेंट होगा. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया सीव ट्यूब में प्रेजेंट होगी. मैमेलियन एर्थ्रोसाइट में एब्सेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 117. डिफरेंट सेल्स हैव डिफरेंट साइजेस. अरेंज द फॉलोइंग cells in an ascending order of their size. Choose the correct option among the following. Mycoplasma, ostrich egg, human RBC and bacteria. तो माइकोप्लाज्मा का साइज 0.3 माइक्रोन मीटर, ये 3 to 5 माइक्रोन मीटर, ये 7 माइक्रोन मीटर. ऑस्ट्रिच एग इज लार्जेस्ट, तो 1432. क्वेश्चन नंबर 117. Yes, correct. It is first. Correct. Question number 118. Which of the following features is common to prokaryotes and many eukaryotes? Common to prokaryotes and many eukaryotes. 80S ribosome present, cell wall present, nuclear membrane present, subcellular organelles present. Question number 118. Yes, cell wall present. Correct. Many eukaryotes. Many eukaryotes में cell wall present. Correct. Question number 119. Match the column and identify the correct option. Thylakoids, cristae, cisternae, chromatin. Question number 119. So thylakoid are present flat membranous sacs. Cristae, enfoldings in mitochondria. Cisternae is dish-shaped sacs in Golgi apparatus. Chromatin, condensed structure of DNA. DNA की जब coiling शुरू होगी तो chromatin will be formed. So correct answer is A is third, B is fourth, C is first and D is second. Yes, correct. Yes, Anwar Ali, Naitik Agarwal, AP Tennis, Mukesh Yadav, Anshuman, Suman Bind, Devil Hunter, Nidhi Kumari, Shivadeep. Yes, Abid Hassan. Question number 120. What is a tonoplast? Outer membrane of mitochondria, inner membrane of chloroplast, membrane boundary of the vacuole of plant cell, cell membrane of a plant cell. तो ये क्वेश्चन अभी हम लोगों ने किया था. यस, correct. And this will actively transport the ions in the sap of vacuole. Question number 121. Which of the following is not true for a proeukaryotic cell? It has 80s type of ribosome present in the mitochondria. It has 80s type of ribosome present in the cytoplasm. Mitochondria contains circular DNA. Membrane bound organelles are present. Not true पूछा हुआ है. Yes, correct. 121st is first. Correct. Mitochondria में 70s type already discussed. Question number 122. Plastids differ from mitochondria on the basis of one of the following features. Mark the right answer. Plastids differs from mitochondria on the basis of the following feature. Mark the right answer. Presence of two layers of membrane, presence of ribosome, presence of chlorophyll, presence of DNA. Question number 122. Yes, correct. It is the chlorophyll which will make the difference. Correct. Question number 123. Which of the following is not a function of cytoskeleton in a cell? Cytoskeleton elements are formed by cytoskeletal elements are formed by cytoskeletal elements किससे बने होंगे? यस, जिन्होंने फर्स्ट आंसर दिया है उनका सही है. करेक्ट. इट इज इंटरसेलुलर ट्रांसपोर्ट, नॉट द फंक्शन. इंटरसेलुलर, इंटरसेलुलर मतलब एक सेल से दूसरे सेल के बीच में, नॉट ए फंक्शन. इंट्रासेलुलर ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए है ये, मेंटेनेंस ऑफ सेल शेप के लिए, सपोर्ट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनेल के लिए, सेल मोटिलिटी के लिए. करेक्ट. एंड इंट्रास cytoskeletal elements are formed by microfilaments, microtubules, intermediate filaments, microfilaments, microtubules, and intermediate filaments. And these cytoskeletal elements are present in eukaryotes, only in eukaryotes. Question number 124. Prokaryotic cells are generally and multiply than the eukaryotic cell. Question number 124. Yes, Adya, correct. Yes, Anshuman. Yes, Natik Agarwal, correct. Prince, correct. Ishita, correct. Big motivation, correct. AP tennis, correct. Yes. Suman Bind, Anwar Ali, Badirul, Ishita, yes. Nidhi, yes, all of you are correct. Prokaryotic cell is smaller and multiply faster than the eukaryotic cells. Correct sequence of layers of bacterial cell envelope from outwards to inwards. The bacterial cell envelope is formed by glycocalyx, cell wall, then cell membrane. Yes, deep Boer relaxation, correct. It is three layers: glycocalyx, cell wall, and cell membrane. Glycocalyx is present in two forms. Glycocalyx is present in two forms. कौन कौन से? If it is loose and if it is thick. दो फॉर्म कौन कौन सी हैं इसकी? Yes, correct. AP10 is correct. correct. Capsule and slime layer, correct. Loose sheath and capsule. Thick है तो capsule, correct. Question number 126. If you remove the fimbriae from the bacterial cell, which of the following would you expect to happen? अगर हम फिम्ब्री को रिमूव कर दें बैक्टीरियल सेल से, then which of the following would you expect to happen? The bacteria couldn't longer swim, the bacteria wouldn't adhere to the host cells, transportation of the molecules across the membrane would stop, the shape of bacteria would change. Question number 126. Yes, correct. Yes, fimbri is for attachment. So attachment won't be possible. What attachment would be affected? Adherence would be affected. Correct. Question number 127. Identify the parts labeled as A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. Question number 127. A, B, C, and D. Yes, correct. Correct. First, A is plasma membrane, B is chloroplast, C is mitochondria, and D is Golgi complex. Correct. Question number 128. Lipids are arranged within the membrane with polar heads towards inner side and the hydrophobic tail towards outer side, both heads and tail towards outer side, heads towards outer side and tail towards inside, both heads and tails towards inner side. Question number 128. Yes, correct. Correct. Polar head towards outer side and tail hydrophobic. This is inner side. Question number 129. Identify the components labeled as A, B, C, and D. This is A, this is B, C, and D. So this is sugar and B is this is peripheral protein. Integral protein, and C is lipid bilayer. So correct answer is first. Question number 130. Integral cell membrane proteins are partially embedded in lipid layers, are completely embedded in lipid layers, show lateral but not vertical movements within bilayer of lipid. Integral cell membrane proteins. A and C are not same. D is 6 given उसमें उसमें D6 दिया हुआ है सी वाले ऑप्शन में, इसलिए ए ही करेक्ट है। और इंटीग्रल मेम्ब्रेन प्रोटीन्स पार्शियली और कंप्लीटली एम्बेडेड, और ये लेटरल मूवमेंट शो करेंगे फ्लूइडिटी की वजह से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 131। इफ यू रिमूव द सेल वॉल फ्रॉम ए प्लांट सेल, अगर प्लांट सेल में सेल वॉल हटा दी जाए एंड प्लेस इट इनटू ए ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर, what will happen? The cell would begin to grow, the cell would shrink, the cell would burst. Nothing would happen. Question number 131. अगर हाइपोटोनिक सोल्यूशन में रखा होगा, हाइपोटोनिक, तो एंड ऑस्मोसिस विल टेक प्लेस। और चूंकि सेल वॉल एब्सेंट है, सेल वॉल क्या करेगा? रिजिडिटी प्रोवाइड करेगा, तो सेल वुड बर्स्ट, अल्टीमेटली इट वुड बर्स्ट due to endosmosis, continued endosmosis. Question number 132. Mechanical support, enzyme circulation, protein synthesis, and detoxification of drugs are the function of dictyosomes, chloroplast, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum. श्रिंक होगा हाइपरटोनिक सोल्यूशन में। अगर बाहर का सोल्यूशन ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड है तब एक्सॉस्मोसिस विल टेक प्लेस। Yes, correct. Mechanical support, enzyme circulation, protein synthesis, or detoxification, these are all functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 133. In chloroplast, chlorophyll is present in the outer membrane, inner membrane, thylakoids, stroma. Question number 133. Yes, correct. Yes, thylakoids. Correct. And a stack of thylakoids is known as a stack of thylakoids is known as a stack of thylakoids is known as, yes, granum. Correct. Singular is granum, plural is grana. Correct. 134. Lysosomes are vesicular structures formed by the process of packaging in the membrane bound Golgi apparatus, non membrane bound Golgi apparatus. Question number 134. Yes, correct. Membrane bound Golgi apparatus. Correct. और ये किस फेज से बनेंगे? सिस फेज और ट्रांस फेज। सिस फेज और ट्रांस फेज किस फेज से बनेगा ये? सिस फेज से या ट्रांस फेज से? यस, सिस फेज से जुड़ेगा ट्रांस फेज या मैच्योरिंग फेज से। Pinching will take place as transphase or maturing phase. Question number 135. Cell organelles responsible for autolysis is autolysis. Destruction of own cell. This is done by hydrolytic enzymes present in lysosome. Yes, correct. Lysosome. Question number 136. Read the given statements regarding a cell organelle. It contains water, sap, excretory products, and other unwanted materials. It is bounded by a single membrane called tonoplast. In plant cells, it can occupy up to 90%. It contains from cell sap. It maintains Stager pressure. Yes, correct. It is vacuole. This description is about vacuole. Question number 137. Match the column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Chloroplast. It is green colored plastids. Chromoplast. Yellow, orange or red colored. Leucoplast. It is colorless plastids. So 3, 2, 1. Second option. 137. Correct. Question number 138. Are granular structures first observed under electron microscope as dense particle by ribosome, George Pallet, ribosomes, Perner, lysosomes, Dewey, peroxisomes, Dewey? Granular structures first observed under electron microscope as dense particle in 1953. Yes, correct. Big motivation. It is first ribosomes by George Pallet in 1953. Question number 139. The core of a cilium or flagellum composed of microtubules and their associated proteins is called blepharoplast, axoneme, microfilaments, tubulin. The core of a cilium or flagellum जो microtubules का बना हुआ है cilium and flagellum, it is 9+2 arrangement. Correct. This is the axoneme. Question number 140. An organelle with an internal cross section showing characteristic 9+2 array is the microtubule, microfilament, cilium or flagellum, cytoskeleton. Question number 140. Yes, correct. And this 9 is peripheral doublet or triplet. And this 9 is peripheral doublet or triplet. Yes, correct. ऑर्गेनेल के बारे में पूछा गया तो दिस इज सीलियम और फ्लैजिलम and 9+2 arrangement and 9 is peripheral doublet. Question number 141. In eukaryotic cells, the given figure is synthesized in. इनकी synthesis कहाँ पर होगी? Synthesized in nucleolus, cytoplasm, mitochondria, Golgi complex. Two units, subunits of ribosome. Yes, correct, Devil Hunter. It is nucleolus. Correct. These are synthesized in nucleolus. Question number 142. Which of the following statements is incorrect for centrioles? Incorrect statement for centrioles. Both the centriole and a centrosome lie perpendicular to each other. Central proteinaceous hub is missing in a centriole. Each centriole has an organization like that of a cartwheel. Centrosome usually contains two cylindrical centrioles. Yes, correct. It is second. Incorrect statement पूछा गया. Central proteinaceous hub is present. Missing नहीं, present. Second is incorrect. बाकी statements correct. Question number 143rd. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. Mitochondria, lysosome, ribosomes, nucleus. Mitochondria is double membrane. Lysosome is single membrane. Ribosomes without membrane. And nucleus is also double membrane. So A is third, B is second, C is first, and D is third. Third. Correct. Big motivation, Anshuman, Prince, Devanand Singh. Yes, it is third. Dr. Shivani, Badirul. Yes, correct. It is third. Question number 144. According according to widely accepted fluid mosaic model, cell membranes are semi-fluid, where lipids and integral protein can diffuse randomly. In this regard, which of the following statement is incorrect? Proteins in cell membranes cannot travel within the lipid bilayer. Proteins can remain within certain channels of the membrane. Proteins can also undergo movements in the lipid layer. Many proteins remain completely embedded within lipid. Question number 144. Yes, Devanand Singh, correct. Correct. Yes. Proteins in cell membrane cannot travel. This is incorrect. Proteins in this incorrect statement पूछा गया. Proteins in cell membrane, they can travel. Lateral movement, rotational movement. Question number 145. Diagrammatic representation of internal structure of a flagella is given below, and select the right option giving a all the four parts A, B, C, and D. Question number 145. This is A, this is B, ये C और ये D. Question number 145. Yes, correct. Correct. Third. This is central sheath. This is central sheath. B is radial spokes. Number of radial spokes will be. Number of radial spokes will be. Radial spokes कितने होंगे? C is central microtubule and D is interdoublet bridge. Yes, Devanand Singh, correct. Big motivation, correct. Anshuman, correct. Prince, correct. Yes, Dr. Shivani, correct. It is 9. Question number 146. All categories of overall taxonomic arrangement together constitute the taxonomic category, taxonomic hierarchy, systematics, taxon. All categories of overall taxonomic arrangement. Yes, correct, Anshuman. Yes, it is taxonomic hierarchy. Correct. Question number 147. Group of order is included in. Group of order is included in. Group of order. Kingdom, phylum, class, then order. So group of order is included in class. Question number 148. True regeneration. A fragmented organism regenerate the lost part of body and become a new individual. Occurs in roundworm, planaria, both 1 and 2, earthworm. True regeneration is present in. True regeneration is present in. Yes, correct. It is planaria. Planaria. Question number 149. In binomial nomenclature, every organism has two names, one Latin, other Greek, two names, one scientific, other common, two names by two scientists, one scientific name with two words, a generic and a specific. इसमें कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर लिखो इसको तो पूछ रहा है आजमगढ़ टेस्ट सेंटर का सौरभ सिंह अभी कांटेक्ट नंबर शो कर रहे हैं उस पर आप अपना कांटेक्ट कर लो एड्रेस बता दिया जाएगा यस करेक्ट वन साइंटिफिक नेम with two words, a generic and a specific. Question number 150. Match the following column 1 and column 2. Column 1 mango, leopard, tiger, cat. Cat is Felis, tiger is Panthera tigris, leopard is Panthera pardus, mango is Mangifera indica. Question number 150. Yes, correct. It is first. Question number 151. Systema Naturae was written by Linnaeus, Aristotle, Mayer, Lamarck. Systema Naturae. This book was written by, yes, correct, Linnaeus. Question number 152. Thermoacidophiles are present in marshy areas, salty areas, hot springs, lakes and streams. Yes, Himanshu Saroj, correct. Big motivation, correct. Devanand Singh, correct. Anshuman, correct. Yes, correct. It is hot springs. Methanogens present in marshy areas. Halophiles present in salty areas. Question number 153. Spores of slime molds are dispersed by. Spores of slime molds are dispersed by water current, air current, animals, bat. Yes, correct. It is air current. Question number 154. Maximum nutritional diversity is found in the group. न्यूट्रिशनल डाइवर्सिटी सबसे ज्यादा किस किंगडम में प्रेजेंट होगी? किंगडम एनिमेलिया, प्लांटी, फंजाई, मोनेरा। यस, करेक्ट, इट इज मोनेरा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 155. Following are some characteristics of a specific group. Consider the characters and identify the repeated respective group. Majority of them are freshwater. Pellicle is present. Two flagella present. Question number 155. Yes, correct. Euglenoids. Cell wall is absent. Pellicle is present. Two flagella present. Question number 156. Biogas is produced by eubacteria, archaebacteria, cyanobacteria, mycoplasma. Yes, correct. Archaebacteria. Methanogens. Question number 157. Which of the following is a bacterial disease? White rust of crucifery, early blight of potato, citrus canker, black rust of wheat. खोल दो, एग्जॉस्ट चला दो, वो जान। Yes, correct. Citrus canker caused by Xanthomonas citri. Question number 158. Red tide is caused by Anabina, Euglena, Goniolax, amoeba. Red tide. Yes, Anshuman, correct. Yes, red tide is caused by Goniolax. Question number 159. Gametes can be non-flagellated but similar in size. Found in Eulothrix, Spirogyra, Volvox, Fucus. Yes, Anshuman, correct. Blue-green algae. Yes, Spirogyra. Correct. Non-flagellated, similar. Isogambus. Question number 160. Which one of the following is an example of chlorophyllus thallophyte? Pisum, Spirogyra, Adiantum, Neetum. Yes, correct. Question number 161. It assumes that organisms belonging to the same taxa have a common ancestor. This statement is mainly correct for. Yes, phylogenetic system. Yes, common ancestor, phylogenetic system of classification. Question number 162. Read the following statements regarding Markensia. It is unisexual, has anthridiophore, archegoniophore, foot and seta in its sporophyte absent, is heterosporous. Question number 162. Yes, Prince. Correct. Markensia is unisexual and has anthridiophore and archegoniophore. Foot and seta absently present is heterosporous. It is homosporous. Bryophyta. All bryophytes are homosporous. So A and B. Question number 163. In liverworts, asexual reproduction takes place by the formation of specialized structures called. Yes, Chemmy. Correct. Question number 164. Cytotaxonomy is based on cytological information such as chromosome number, structure, and behavior. Question number 165. Which is the correct matching set? Malpighian tubules present in Arthropoda, Nephridia, Annelida, gills, Pisces, mantle cavity, mollusca. Yes, it is second. A is first, B is third, C is fourth, and D is second. Question number 166. Identify type of symmetry in the given animals A and B. Type of symmetry. This is radial. N number of times it can be divided into planes, equal parts. Only one radial and bilateral. 165, 166. Question number 167. Radula is absent in which phylum? So radula is rasping organ present in mollusca. Absent. Absent in Annelida and Arthropoda. So both 1 and 2. Yes. Question number 168. Identify A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. This is mast cell. This is macrophage, fibroblast and collagen fibers. C is collagen fibers. Correct answer. 168 is first. Yes, correct. Question number 169. Least regeneration power found in the tissue. Connective tissue, epithelial tissue, neural tissue, none of these. So least regeneration in neural tissue. Question number 170. Which is a correct matching set? Column 1, column 2. Compound epithelium, exocrine gland, endocrine gland, dense regular tissue. Compound epithelium, skin, exocrine gland with duct, endocrine gland without duct, dense regular tissue, tendon. Question number 170. A is fourth, B is third, C is second, D is first. Question number 171. Match the following with column 1 and column 2 and choose the correct answer. Squamous epithelium, blood vessels and air sacs. Cuboidal epithelium, ducts of glands. Columnar epithelium, stomach and intestine. Ciliated epithelium, bronchioles and fallopian tubes. Question number 171. A is second, B is first, C is fourth and D is third. Correct. Question number 172. Which of the following correct for smooth muscle fiber? Smooth muscle fibers, these are spindle shape, taper at both ends, and do not show striations. Question number 173. Which is a correct statement? Which is a correct statement? 173. Yes, correct. Only C and D. Tendon is a dense regular connective tissue. Ligament is a dense regular connective tissue. Irregular नहीं. Question number 174. This figure denotes which type of tissue? Dense regular, dense irregular, adipose tissue, any two of the above. So this is example of dense irregular connective tissue present in skin. Question number 175. Match the following columns. Column 1 with column 2. Taproot, mustard, fibrous root, wheat, adventitious root. This is Monestra and prop root, banyan. 175. Correct answer is third. A is second, B is first, C is third and D is fourth. Third. A is second, B is first. Question number 176. Match the following columns. Column 1 with column 2. Stem, tendril, maize, thorns, bougainvillea, underground stem, watermelon, stilt root, colocasia. Question number 176. Stem, tendril. Question number 176. Stem, tendril in watermelon. Stem, tendril, watermelon. Thorns, bougainvillea. Underground stem, colocasia. Stilt root, maize. A is fourth, B is second, C is first and D is third. Second. Question number 177. Phyllodes is present in Australian acacia, opuntia, asparagus, euphorbia. So this is petiole modified Australian acacia. Question number 178. However, calyx and corolla are accessory organs. In some flower, the calyx and corolla are not distinct, termed as perianth, horn, unisexual, carpel. Yes, correct. This is perianth. Unit is tepal. Question number 179. A typical flower has four different kind of whorl arranged successively on the swollen end of a stalk called receptacle, carpel, pedicel, calyx. Yes, it is receptacle. Question number 180. Identify the type of inflorescence in the given diagram with respective example. Racemose solanum, cymose solanum, cymose trifolium, cymose bean. Question number 180. Yes, second. टर्मिनेट हो जाएगा फ्लावर में, रेसिमोज में अनलिमिटेड ग्रोथ. करेक्ट आंसर इज सेकंड. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me. Welcome Anshuman. Hanzala, welcome. Avnish, thank you. Welcome. Bye. Take care all of you. Have a great day.